I was really not very confident in my programming skills, right? I came through quite some courses about programming, and I was still like, okay, we are doing something. I cannot really see how it's used in reality. And here in ABAP Academy, you really had a clear goal, like where you are heading. So you basically build your own simple projects, right? Well, basically, changed my life completely. So, it saved me a lot of time, and maybe also a lot of other money that I would spend for maybe books and stuff like that. My name is Milos. I've been working with ABAP for the last 3 years. Yeah, that's pretty much it.